This was a radical notion that we were going to do at this little college here out in Colorado Springs, a radical notion.
This is insane. I'm going to have to compress a semester into 3.5 weeks.
Let's just do one thing. Let me do one thing with just a few students.
Should we do this? And how would we do this?
Consider the state of the student today at Colorado College. We are strong and solid, but we've got to bring time under control. Stop the rat race.
I really think it was this meeting that got the block plan started.
To the block plan.
If it had been 2 other people, nothing would have happened. Nothing. I might as well have talked to the bartender.
I had the sense that all sorts of zany things happen here. So to learn that the institution itself was going to try something zany, it seemed like, oh, I suppose they will.
Welcome new and returning students, faculty, staff, and friends. Opening convocation marks the official beginning of the 145th academic year.
One of the things that has been very clear to me since day one at Colorado College is our ability to let the kids lead us.
And by the way, the students were only doing what we've taught them to do, and we teach our students well.
If you are to remember her for one thing, remember all of the ways she continues to resurrect.
There's something that is just so exciting about getting to go somewhere like London, which is the performance capital of the world.
The block plan is like anything that a small liberal arts college can offer, but on steroids.
With the block plan, it means that we have 9 days to work on this documentary. I'm terrified. I've never been this scared for anything school related.
It's the block plan. That's why I visited, that's why I applied. It just spoke to me. And all the other things that make Colorado College what it is, it all does stem from the block plan.